Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to download backup photos from Google Drive. Downloading backup photos from Google Drive allows you to restore or keep a copy of your image on your device. This is useful when switching phones or recovering lost files. And this guide will show you how to download backup photos from Google Drive on your mobile phone. To begin, make sure to unlock your mobile phone and open the Google Drive app. Sign into your Google account if needed. Tap the search bar or browse your files. Locate the folder containing your backup photos. Tap to open the folder. Tap and hold one photo to start selection. Tap additional photos to select multiple files. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Download. Wait for the download to complete. Open your File Manager app. Go to the Downloads folder. Extract files if they are in a zip format. Open your gallery to view the downloaded photos. Tip for large backups: downloading over Wi Fi is faster and avoids using mobile data. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.